Place value, I have a couple of tricks when it comes to place value. So the first one, in word form, when you are saying a number like 7,602, every comma has a name. So the first comma that you write is going to be 1,000, as long as there's only one digit. If there were two digits, that would become 10,000. But we don't say that, so that would still be 1,000. We don't say 13, 10,000. And then if you had 100,000, this would become 100,000. But normally we're going to stick with 1,000, because whatever number comes before the commas tells us that place value, how many numbers are before it. So if I have 13,000, I know that I have a digit in the 10,000s place. If I say 100,000, that takes care of us having 3 digits before the comma. We have a 1 in the 100,000s place. So there's that. The second tip and skill that 4th graders are going to use is moving between place values. So if I'm going to have the number 547,201, it would give us a question like, if this 1 was in the thousands place, so this is where we want to move the thousands place, move the 1 to the thousands place, how much bigger would this 1 be than this? So if we're going from the ones to the thousands, it would be 1 times 1,000. And our place value goes in increments of tens. So obviously the tens place has 10 ones. The hundreds place has 10 tens. The thousands place has 10 hundreds. 10,000s place has 10 thousands. And the 100,000s place has 10 10,000s. So if I'm going just one place value, if I'm going from the 2 to the 7, so I want to move the 2 to the thousands place. The 2 is currently in the hundreds place, so it has a value right now of 200. If I moved it to the thousands place, it would then have a value of 2,000. And one thing that we talk about in 3rd grade is that when you add a 0 to a number, you're really just multiplying it by 10, which can be very helpful when we're talking about fractions and measurements, all kinds of different things. So knowing that when you add a 0 or when you take away a 0, you're changing that in increments of 10. So if you were taking away that 0, you would be dividing by 10. Adding that 0 is a multiplying by 10. So again, another question. If I was taking this 5 and moving it to the thousands place, right now it is worth 500,000. If I moved it to the thousands place, it would be worth 5,000. Right here we have 3 zeros. Here's 3 zeros. I'm taking off 2. I've divided by 10 twice, or divided by 100. And the same if I was going from the thousands to the 100,000s, then I would be multiplying by 100. So that's just little tricks.